Hello, this is Brian Sykes with AI Explorer. Today's video, I want to show you how to use the generative AI tool for Recolor inside of Adobe Illustrator. It's a very simple process. It doesn't revolutionize everything that you've done in Illustrator in the past, but it is a neat, fast access to Recolor palettes and how to apply those inside of Illustrator. So let's jump right in. Good morning, this is Brian Sykes. I've downloaded the latest version of Adobe Illustrator, and I wanted to show you the Generative Recolor feature that's a beta right now inside of Illustrator, even though it's running with a full version. So I've got several different applications, several different Adobe Illustrator files that I've created in the past, and these are some illustrations. The first couple are actually of my kids when they were little, and they were done when the kids were this age. So this is my oldest son, Jonathan, who's now 23. So you can see this one's several years ago. And this is a vector illustration. So selecting the image or selecting the vector pieces that I'd want to color allows me to go under Edit, and under Edit Colors, choose Generative Recolor. Okay, this pops up, and you've got the sample prompt options that are available, or you can put in where it says prompt, describe the color palette, mood, or theme you want to generate. I can go into this space and I can choose something to prompt the color look that I'm going for. So let's call it, let's see, California Summer Beach. Okay. Click Generate, and California Summer Beach is now in Vibe here, and it's going to throw some options in here. So as I click through these, that definitely looks like he's very jaundiced. This is kind of more subdued in color. Okay, so you can see there's some different options that it's provided for us. We're not stuck with these colors. Obviously, you can just come back in here, neon, spray paint, generate, and these are kind of interesting. I like the punchiness of this, and I actually like this dark purple shadow instead of the light purple shadow, I think, or light gray shadow. I do find interesting all the variations. So all the different colors that I've already clicked on and created are there. To go back to the original, you just click on Reset up here at the top, and it takes you back to what you started with. But this is just an interesting approach to how to do some fast recolors. It's not taking into consideration, these are skin tones, it doesn't really see that. It's applying to everything that you selected. So you would have to not select skin tones if you wanted to try to keep the skin tones the same as you're creating. All right, I'm going to take a look at another file. This is a picture of my son Benjamin, who recently, as of May, graduated from UNC Chapel Hill with a degree in astrophysics. So this was done several years ago, and I'm going to do the same thing with this image. I want to recolor this thing. So again, it's Edit, Edit Colors, Generative Recolor. Let's see, Nordic Winter. Now what I might have an idea of, and the colors that might go along with that, might not even be something that it's going to go in the direction of, but now as you're seeing this change, you'll notice that the picture is not, and that's because the picture is actually another file that's been placed or embedded inside of this thing. this one here feels the most Nordic winter to me. The one that's all pale icy blue-gray. Very interesting. Okay, and then my last, as this is a vintage pattern. I created this, and it's a repeating pattern. I actually got some fabrics made of this just because I really like this look. Okay, so this is one that's a great application of this tool. Now, there's been recolor as an option before. Edit colors, I can recolor artwork. But the generative recolor allows me to define with a text prompt the color set that I'm going for. So let's try sci-fi, future punk. And I'm already liking the color combinations that I'm seeing. So this is the original, and let's cycle through some of these options. This is really, really interesting. So you get a totally different dynamic. I think this one's probably the most revealing of that process. So again, generative recolor inside of Adobe Illustrator. You are able to manipulate color just with a text prompt. These are pretty cool. Hopefully this is an asset to you guys. Go enjoy, have a lot of fun with this thing. Anyway, these are fun. Guys, have a blessed day.